Wokobia, Spice Wokobia. When pray me no comfort, you know. You know why me no comfort yet? Come load up the wall and water, go like a Spice alone.
Female veteran artists came to the defense of Spice after Spice was bashed online for making a donation to a former veteran artist, Sister Charmaine, that passed away recently. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. We ask you, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time I post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program once more. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. This is the place where you get the best in local and international news on celebrities. Dancehall recording artist Spice is yet again drawn into more controversy after she made a donation to a GoFundMe page that was set up in order to offset funeral expenses with the passing of a veteran dancehall entertainer within the business, Sister Charmaine. If you have been following the story, you would have seen how Sister Charmaine life developed into her becoming one of the veteran dancehall entertainers in her era, and she would have been a premier figure back in the 80s with her numerous songs, which would have created this platform that we now know as dancehall music. And back in the days, these people, they were the one that were actually creating the moment that we have now, and this moment that we share for others to come and build on it. When we look on what is going on in our music and in our dancehall per se, the unity is lacking, and this is causing our music to go downhill. Gone are the days when you will have entertainers collaborating on one rhythm, and you'd have songs after songs. You would have this special moment in which you would have these songs to listen to on these rhythms, and you would know which song would be played after the other. And this was actually back in the 90s. You have rhythms such as the bug rhythm, the drop leaf rhythm. These rhythms were actually created, and you have multiple artists singing on these rhythms. And when we look now on what is going on, it's as if people are just trying to push themselves to the top of the game and trying to tear down the other party. Now, what happened recently in relation to Spice making a donation to Sister Charmaine GoFundMe page that was set up by family members? I did not see anything wrong with her doing this, but you know, with all that has been going on around social media in previous weeks with the whole Obe thing and these actual comments that are being made, I believe that these were what triggered these derogatory comments coming from people of all aspects. But when we look on Spice, Spice is actually a very talented entertainer, and Spice is one of those names that will stand out forever as being a top premier female figure of our dancehall music. So too is Lady Saw as well. You have Lady G, you have Tanya Stevens, Shensia, and a number of others per se. And you have even veteran singers as well, such as Sister Charmaine, Lady Patra, and this current individual that we're about to watch, Lady Anne. These were actually some dance hall figures back in the days, and these individuals, they created the wave for what we now know as our dancehall music. And even though these people, they did not make much from it, they are the one that created this that we now have. And that's the thing about our music. and these new upcoming artists, they don't show respect to those that have paved the way before. It's as if they don't show that level of respect that I believe is due to the veteran artists in the business. And it's very sad to see how our music is going. And it really needs to be looked into very seriously, because our music is very powerful. And if we don't try to find a way and means of controlling this music, others are going to take our music and they're going to be bigger than we are from our own music. We have seen a number of other people doing dancehall music overseas, and they're selling more than people are actually selling on the local scene. We have seen other international acts taking our reggae music, and they're actually selling more than us who created the music itself, which is a cause for concern. I'm just going to go over to what Lady Ann have to say about the whole entire situation that went down with Spice, and let we just get the best update from her about this whole entire situation. Let's go over to that right now on Link 707 TV.
Yeah, alright. The death of Sister Charmian, to the make 1 week make since Sister Charmian die. Yeah. I see a lot of female in the industry. Them do interview, them do this, them say RIP, them do all of them for do. But up to the time, me not see not one of them donate a penny. Yeah, because Sister Charmian didn't have anything, because you know all the music business go for we, the veteran dancehall artists. In my idea, me in the music industry before Charmian, when me come in the music, when me I come overseas for come do a show, 150 US me get. When me I do a show in Jamaica, at 3,000 US, 3,000 Jamaican, yeah, me 3,300 Jamaican dollar me I get. Yeah, I will take it because we never understand the business, and we never run down the money part of the business, that's the business part of the business. We just love the thing, and we just take it for fun. Anyway, Spice, dancehall queen Spice, a little baby for me and Charmian. We could have Spice reach out, yes, and she donate. And una bash her, but she never have to donate in a quiet. Yes, she donate $1,000, big me and that. No for the rest of female, them none of the male, them most of them not in just not donate anything. None of them didn't donate anything. So a Spice but come after we in the business, come and she donate. It's a good look. Spice donate is a good look. Whether me not care one say whether if Spice didn't even donate $10, we appreciate it. Cause you know why? She's still better than the rest of them in the industry. She's still better than the rest of them in the industry. Yes. Spice better than the rest of them in the industry. Spice donate. Ask the rest of them how much them put. Ask the rest of them how much them donate. How much them put. Call the rest of female DJ them from me, my time, to Charmian time, and ask them how much them donate. Charmian didn't left no will. Charmian didn't die left anything because she didn't have anything for left because them rob her everything. Now Spice come forth now as a little younger girl. We just come to the music donkey years after we. I hear about Sister Charmian death and she donate her money. If she didn't even donate $1, she's still better than the rest of them. If Spice didn't even donate $1, Spice better than the rest of them. Yeah, it upset me for see. Pinkwall, big up on yourself in a Pinkwall. You know me rate Pinkwall and my place. But for the people that over there bass Spice, me upset. One year bass Spice for. You know what should I say? You know what should I say? Did the rest of female them in the business donate? And that one should I say? Spice never have to donate anything, but she come forth and she did. You understand? Una give her some credit now, man. Give Spice some credit, man. She never have to donate anonymous for what? She work hard for her money. And she give some for help Bird Charmian, and we thankful. The rest of them not do nothing. The rest of them just go do interview for promote for them own things. Did them do anything? Them not do $1. Look how much female in the industry. Look how much of them we can call name. Look how much male in the industry. And a Spice alone. But yet still Spice show her gratitude and she donate. Don't do that, man. One over Pinkwell talk about she fi donate anonymous for what? She work hard for her money. So she free for donate anyhow she choose. Big up yourself, Spice. You're better than the rest, Spice. Me lady and the first lady a dancer endorse you. Big up yourself, Spice. Me no care what nobody want to say. You donate and that's all matter. That 1,000 more towards the 20,000 where we did a look. Yeah. So no make them break you down. And you no care what them chat say, Spice. You're better than the rest. Cause look out to them make 1 week since Sister Charmian dead. How much of the female them donate something to her? None of them. None of them. Not one of them. Not one of them reach out to Charmian daughter. All we hear I say them reach out to Charmian daughter. Lie them a tell. Not one of them. Not one of them. So, Pinkwell, like me say, big up on yourself and all of that. Me real Pinkwell, like me say, Pinkwell, a female players. But, you do a bad Spice. What you for say? And you not for say Spice should have done donate anonymous. For what? Spice work hard for her money. You think this music industry is full of Wobia nice? And one of them a talk about Wobia, Spice I work Wobia. You pray me no comfort, you know. You know why me no comfort yet come slow up the wall and water go like a Spice alone? I just chew my daughter in my skin. Cause any of my daughter never not my skin. All wall on one talk and jump up like a Spice alone and walk Wobia. The wall we walk Wobia. The wall we go Wobia, man. The whole away. So stop one like you RT run out and a done Spice. Like Spice and the bad one alone. The whole away guilty as mama charge. The whole away guilty. The whole away from the first to the at last. So stop one like a Spice alone did go. Uno go to. Uno don't make me come talk, you know. Uno go to the wall we go. The wall we go and a Spice alone go. And Spice donate her good money, yeah? When you donate, when Uno donate. Uno stop it, man. Pinkwell. Uno for big up Spice. Pinkwell, big up Spice. Cause Charmian didn't die leave anything because she never have anything to leave because them rob her everything. But yet still Spice when her friend come forth as a co-worker at the dance hall and she donate. And that is a good look. And if she want to put up her name so she donate, nothing wrong. She better than the rest. The GoFundMe page is up there. Uno go look. Look on it and see how much of them donate. Look on it and see how much of them donate. Look how much female in the business. You see none of them come forth? No, not one of them come forth. So Spice, big up yourself. Like me say, me respect you and me rate you. Cause you better than the rest of them. You better than the rest of them. And all what you name now the pizza you walk over, the whole of them walk over, don't feel guilty, I know you alone. And you for them wanna come to the light yet. And you me no come out, come talk yet. But wait, what be unto them? Wait. You not go like you no guilty, you not go like so on a slate cleaner than Spice one. No, it no cleaner than Spice one. The whole of that how we go. The whole how we go at a point in our career. We go. So no stop it. We go. You go, me go, she go, and he go too. Stop it. Stop it. But we come forth, come and sit on Pinkwell. Them a go like Spice.
Well, there you have it. That was actually Sister Lady Ann, a veteran dancehall artist within the music space. And this would have been one of the dancehall figures back in the days, defending Spice after some serious allegations were made against her and a popular wall on the social media platform Facebook. Now I just want you guys to just drop it in the comment section how you feel about what has been going on in our dancehall music, and do you believe that our dancehall music is actually heading in the right direction based on these comments being made by Miss Lady Anne herself, a veteran in the business and one of those premier dancehall figures back in the days as well. We here at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity again just to express our heartfelt condolences to the family and friends of Sister Charmaine, who was another veteran dancehall artist within our music space that passed away recently. Drop it in the comment section though. Let me know how you feel about this video that I've created, and let me know if anything that is on your mind. Drop it in the comment section. This is where we're gonna leave this one here for now. Peace out and bless, and much respect goes out to you, the viewers. Thanks for always being a part of the Links TV family. Have a blessed and productive day.